One unique reporting format that HelpSpot provides is the Comparison Matrix report. This report can be found in the Reports menu under the Comparison Matrix area. The Comparison Matrix will show a X and a Y axis of data and then display a count of requests that match each combination of X and Y axes columns. In the default display here, I'm showing each category on my y-axis, and then each day on my x-axis. Now each axis can be modified to present a variety of combinations of data. For example, if I wanted to look at the category to staff distribution of my requests, I could change my x-axis to assigned user, and then choose Run Report. Now you'll see that all of my staff members are displayed along the bottom on the x-axis, and the y-axis I have the categories displayed. And then inside of the grid, I get a count of how many requests each staff member has in each category. This can be a great way of visualizing workloads very quickly. Now there are a number of other things that I can do with the comparison matrix beyond this. For example, if I wanted to look at request flow by staff member, but only for a certain category, I could go ahead and change my y-axis to assigned user, and then change my x-axis to opened by month. I can then use my time selection to select a wider date range. And then I can go ahead and add a filter down here to just look at an individual category. Now if I go ahead and run my report, you'll see that I now have a matrix that's showing all of the requests for 2017 that are in the general sales category, and I can see how many each of my staff members handled in each month. Now, in addition to all of this data, I also have a data tab that allows me to drill into these values even more. The first thing that you'll notice in the comparison matrix data tab is that I am given additional totals here for each X and Y axis value. This can be helpful for just extracting some more information from this report. I also have the option to export this report as a CSV for additional processing in Excel or another spreadsheet application.